Hi boys and girls. So today we are going to be talking about plants. And we've talked a lot about leaves before and the special job of the leaves. And the special job of the leaves is to make food for the plant. And we know that to make food for the plant they need certain things. The plant needs sun, it needs light and warmth, and it also needs water. Um, and so the way that plants get water is through their roots. So here I have some plants, and if I pull one up, you can see the roots. The roots find the water wherever it is in the ground. And so you can see in this baking dish, we only have plants over on this side. But if you can see this toothpick right here, we started watering here, but we watered further and further away. And now we're only watering on this side of the toothpick. So if I show you underneath, if you can see that even though the plants are only over here, the roots go all the way to the other side because they had to go and find the water where it was. So roots have a special sensitivity for water, and we can kind of see that they go the direction that the water is in to find it. We can see this in this picture here. The water is blue over here, I don't know if you can tell, and then down here, and so these roots are stretching out further in this direction and further down than they are over here where there's not water. So roots find water and bring it up to help the plant grow and to help the leaves do the job of making their food. Also, roots can be helpful because they drink up the water. They can help to eliminate flooding or dry out areas, for example, around lakes. Sometimes it'll be really marshy and people might plant grasses because the roots will then soak up the water, and instead of being marshy, then you'll have a field of grass. And a place in town that has used roots to help to eliminate flooding is the Clover Creek Preserve. When they cut down all the trees, then the roots weren't able to soak up the water, and it was flooding around where the houses were, where there was a risk of floods. And so they planted a lot of grasses and other trees so that those roots would soak up the water and make sure that it wouldn't flood the developed areas around there. So roots have a very important job in helping the plant to make food and can also help to dry up areas. And we will talk more about roots later.